Thanks, friends and subscribers. Welcome back to a new episode of Safat and Saifa's channel. So today we have T-Rexes. We have the Dino rival Tyrannosaurus and the Hammond collection T-Rex. So we're gonna go first to the Dino rivals. This is a classic one right here. Has no sound. You just push this button, it swings the head and it jumps. And then the other one has a tail action. There you go. Plenty of scars on its neck and its jaw. Right there. Classic. Where there's the DNA scan. This one was made back in 2018, it says there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really. And we have the Hammond collection. Right here. One of my favorites. Has the marble eye. Let's see, what year was this made? I don't think Hammond collection added here. Oh, there it is. I see it. It is from 2021, it says. Alright, so we brought these two out because we have the finally we have the lab lockdown Tyrannosaurus Rex. Cypher just got it today at Walmart. Finally have it. Here's the back. Obviously, it does not have a sound though. No sound for this guy. Alright, let's unbox it. Check it out. Alright. Uh-oh. While I'm unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you to everyone again. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys. How do we... Oh, right there. I guess we have to unbox it here. There you go. Nice. Let's take out the tail first. Okay, we got the tail out. I think the legs are stuck. Okay, we got it out. Here we go. We're gonna snap the tail in. There we go. Nice. Okay, so they forgot to paint the dew claw again. There's the DNA scan. As you can see, the nails, the claw and its feet are separate now, so it doesn't get any scratches or faded color. You can see. So there's a button over there, there's a feature. There you go, it opens the mouth. So this is the T-Rex from the movie Jurassic World Rebirth. Then when we saw the trailer, you can tell the color. So it looks a little smaller now. The Hammond collection or the Dino Rivals is way bigger than it. Okay, you can tell, see the length of it. Let's move the Dino rival. Look at that. Look at the length. See, the tail of the Hammond collection is way longer than the lab lockdown Rebirth. We don't have the power devourer yet. That's our next, probably, if we can find it. You can see he's got an ear now. That hole right there. Looks like that's the ear of the T-Rex. This one doesn't have any scratches. No battle damage at all. There's another hole right there. Of the ear. See the mouth. Nice sharp plastic. But it's soft though. It's really soft. The feet's way too small if you compare to the Hammond collection T-Rex. Look at that. Look at the difference. Look at the feet. Look how tiny.
What?
Look at the feet.
Wait, how to make it big?
That's how it is. And this is the Dino rival T-Rex.
Okay, it's big too.
It's also bigger. And the length too. Look at the tail. The Dino rival is way longer. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, we were supposed to do the Utahraptor today, but Cypher wanted this because it's new. So hopefully the next video will be the Utahraptor, the Wild Roar. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.